Hello everyone, this is Aneel Khowaja. I'm registered migration agent and co-founder ThinkAct Consultants and pdclasses.com. Today we'll be discussing about the genuine position and how to justify for 482 and 186 visa. Now lots of refusal these days are coming, especially in terms of nominating a person to a certain occupation under the 482 or 186 scheme. Department even not requesting you to submit further documents. So what things needs to be submitted, how to fulfill the genuine position statement, this all we would be discussing in this video. So first of all, you need to ensure that the nomination application you're submitting either for 482 or 186 should have all the documents, like especially in terms of that you must need to have a position description, job contract, financial documents of the company as well. A genuine position statement needs to be added as well, along with all other proofs which shows the labor market testing, market salary surveys, any additional contracts, organization chart that makes your case stronger. You need to attach all these documents with your application. So first is that. Now, lots of people are asking what to add in a genuine position statement, because this is one of the important statements that leads to a direct approval or a refusal based on whatever the information putting in that document. So genuine position statement, you need to first give an introduction of your company. Then you need to address why you wanted to go with this occupation, or if you're nominating a person, so why you are nominating this person. And then you have to inform about department about the expansion and how you're growing the business, because the position which you are nominating must complement your business plans or whatever the current operations or functioning of the company that is giving a boost when you're getting a nominated person, that one. Or sometimes employers super busy or they're expanding and they don't have much time to do multiple tasking, so they need a specified position to nominate it. So at least that position can help them making the right, help them doing the work on a quicker basis, and obviously the operations would get quicker as well. So in all these circumstances, you have to put everything into the genuine position statement. On top, you also need to attach an organization chart which shows that where exactly this position would be placed. If it's under the director or if it's under the lead manager, wherever it is, it needs to be mentioned into the expansion plan or the genuine position statement. Along with that, also a separate organization chart needs to be attached. Also, one important tip which I need to give you that leads to an auto approval sometime as well. You need to attach all the business activity statement and a profit loss statement if the company is more than 1 year old. Otherwise, you can attach a business plan showing the 5 years projection. So at least department would know that this position will help you building the business. Along with that, there is a massive revenue generation would happen, because they don't want that your company would be in loss and ultimately you won't be able to pay the nominated position and you have to then do the redundancy for that specific person or position. So that department don't want. So overall, what you need to do is to save your application or get quicker positive outcome. You have to attach all these documents which we have discussed, along with the genuine position statement, which needs to have all the points which I have given you already in this video. So all the very best. If you have any questions regarding this one, feel free to contact us. Especially this video is for the employers or the migration agent who is assisting employers to get the right nominated person for the business. This statement is very important. So if you have friends and family, if you have your migration agents, do share this video with them. That will help them out making the right profile, right application for you, so at least you get a positive outcome from the department who offers. All the very best.